The AGM-114 Hellfire is an air-to-ground missile first developed for anti-armor use, later developed for precision drone strikes against other target types, especially high-value targets. It was originally developed under the name Heliborne laser, fire and forget missile, which led to the colloquial name Hellfire ultimately becoming the missile's formal name. It has a multi-mission, multi-target precision strike ability and can be launched from multiple air, sea, and ground platforms, including the Predator drone. The Hellfire missile is the primary 100-pound class air-to-ground precision weapon for the armed forces of the United States and many other nations. It has also been fielded on surface platforms in the surface-to-surface and surface-to-air roles. Most variants are laser-guided, with one variant, the AGM-114L Longbow Hellfire, being radar-guided. Laser guidance can be provided either from the launcher, such as the nose-mounted optoelectronics of the AS-64 Apache attack helicopter, other airborne target designators, or from ground-based observers, the latter two options allowing the launcher to break line of sight with the target and seek cover. The development of the Hellfire missile system began in 1974 with the United States Army requirement for a tank buster launched from helicopters to defeat armored fighting vehicles. The Hellfire 2, developed in the early 1990s, is a modular missile system with several variants. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.